Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, so in this video we'll talk about the concept of lowest common multiple or LCM. Now first we'll understand the concept. Now suppose that there are two numbers 24 and 36. Now over here we write the multiples of these numbers. So multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 216 and so on. Okay. Similarly multiples of 36 are 36, 72, 108, 144, 180, 216 and so on. Now if you look at it, there are certain common multiples. So if you look at the common multiples, they are 72, 144, 216 and so on. Now if you look at the lowest of these common multiples is nothing but 72. Thus we say that the lowest common multiple of 24 and 36 is equal to 72. Okay guys, that means LCM of 24 and 36 is equal to 72. Okay. Now we'll be looking at a method to find the LCM. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to follow these two steps to find the LCM of two or more than two numbers. The first step, we prime factorize all the numbers. Okay, and the next step, what we do is we take the highest power of all the prime numbers which were there in the prime factorization and multiply them to get the LCM of these numbers. We will look at the examples now. So our first examples asks us to find out the LCM of 24 and 36. So first we prime factorize these numbers. So 24 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 into 3 and 36 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2. Now here we have 2 and 3 as the prime numbers, and 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 2 are the highest powers of 2 and 3 respectively. Okay, because see 2 has power 2 raised to power 3 in 24 and 2 has power 2 raised to power 2 in 36. Similarly 3 has a power of 1 in 24 and 3 has a power of 2 in 36. Okay, so that is why the highest powers are 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 2. Now we'll simply multiply them. So 2 raised to power 3 is 8 and 3 raised to power 2 is 9. So 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72. Thus the LCM of 24 and 36 is equal to 72. Okay guys, we'll look at few more examples now. Now in this question we are asked to find the LCM of 48, 72 and 80. Now first we'll prime factorize these numbers. So 48 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into 3. 72 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2. 80 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into 5. So this is the prime factorization of 48, 72 and 80. Now here we have 2, 3 and 5 as the three prime numbers involved. And if you look at 2 has a highest power of 4 which is 2 raised to power 4. 3 has a highest power of 2 which is 3 raised to power 2. And 5 has a highest power of 1 which is 5 itself. Okay, so 2 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 2 and 5 are the highest powers of 2, 3 and 5. Thus the LCM is, we multiply all these numbers. So 2 raised to power 4 into 3 square into 5. That gives us 720 as the answer. Okay, so we'll do one final example. Over here we have to find the LCM of 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 4 into 7 square. The second number is 2 raised to power 3 into 3 square into 5 raised to power 4 into 11 raised to power 3. And the third number is 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 7 into 11 raised to power 4. Okay. So all these numbers are already in prime factorization. So we don't need to prime factorize it further because it's already prime factorized. Okay. So we have the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 that we have to deal with here. So 2 has the highest power of 5 in these three numbers. Similarly 3 has a highest power of 7, 5 has a highest power of 4 7 has a highest power of 2 and 11 has a highest power of 4. Okay, so these are the highest powers of 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So LCM is nothing but we multiply all these numbers. So LCM of these three numbers is equal to 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 4 into 7 raised to power 2 into 11 raised to power 4. Okay guys, you don't need to find the value of this big number. Like you don't need to find the value of 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 4 into 7 square into 11 raised to power 4. If a question is asked like this, the answer will usually be in this form only. Okay guys, so this is the approach we take to find the LCM of a set of numbers. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video.